Is your Subaru Outback CarPlay screen stuck on black even though your phone is plugged in? Statistics show that 80% of these black screen issues are just minor software glitches. Let's walk through the steps to get your connection back online. Start by swapping your cable and checking the phone port for debris before moving to system settings. If that fails, perform a hard reset by holding the volume knob until the head unit reboots. Sometimes your iPhone needs to forget the car entirely to clear out corrupted handshake data. If these steps don't work, you might need a firmware update from your dealer. Most owners find success with a simple cable swap or head unit reset. Ensure your phone software is current, and as a last resort, try disconnecting the vehicle battery. Keep these simple items in your trunk to tackle connectivity issues on the go. Remember, if the screen remains black after a hard reset, the hardware module itself may be failing. Thanks for watching, and drive safe with your CarPlay back in action.